Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how to factory reset HP Smart Tank 525 printer. So let's go. First, the printer should be in off condition. The power plug is in the power socket point. Then press and hold the power button, cross button, cancel button and color copy button simultaneously for 5 seconds. Press and hold cross, power, cancel and color Xerox button for 5 seconds. You can see here F standing for. So hence you have to reset the factory, reset the printer. You have to press and hold the black Xerox button and the cancel button and the power button simultaneously. Black Xerox button